Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can open your ISO file. If you also want to open it without write it to your disk or to your flash, and you want to open it directly from your Windows. So you can do it also with this program. Here you can see it, Ultra ISO. So just download it. There is some test version and for some, I don't remember for exactly for how many days, but for some days you can use it by trial. So just download it, and after you download it you can also open some ISO file. For this, here I will open for you this program. So please wait some time. So here it is, Ultra ISO. So just 2 clicks on it and it will open. Sometimes, so we choose test period. So now you need to go to your disk and open your here it is, our ISO. Just click on it. And here you can see that all your files on this ISO. So also exactly you can make it by like virtual CD or DVD-ROM, and just run it, run installation of Windows with this like in real CD, like from real disk. So just go to, let's choose this file, and here you can see mount, write it to your virtual, here you can see our virtual disk ROM, and just click mount. So now I will open my file, my computer, and here you can see our disk F. It's virtual disk. So I just open this virtual disk, and so I have error. Let's try again. So we will mount our ISO again and try it again. So let's wait some time. So we successfully mount our virtual disk. I will show you how to do it. So let's try it again. So we choose test period, and here you choose your ISO file. So just go here, and here we choose our ISO file. So here you can see that it successfully opened all our files, and we go to instruments and we choose mount to virtual private, and just choose our virtual drive and choose mount. So just click here to mount it, to write it to your virtual disk and just close it. So I showed you that everything works. So here you can see our virtual disk. I open disk F, and just our setup of Windows. I two times click on it, and here you can see that it will successfully open. Here you can see it. So it works. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.